Centralized ledgers. What are these? This is the basis of Bitcoin, is having this ledger that keeps track of all transactions. What is a ledger? It's sort of a financial term that otherwise isn't used. It's just a piece of paper that keeps track of where is the money going and where is it coming from. So imagine your credit card statement. Each time you spend money, you spend $10 somewhere, you spent $20 somewhere, you spent $50 somewhere, you spent $30 somewhere. So you spent $110. And so then you need to pay 110 to zero out that account. So a ledger just keeps track of money coming and going. So $10 went from your credit card company, let's say American Express. $10 went to Joe's Coffee. $20 went to an Indian restaurant. $50 went to Amazon. $30 went to Barnes and Noble. And then $110 went from your bank account to American Express. So this is how we keep track of transactions. And obviously they can get more complex than this, but the basic idea of a ledger is you're just keeping track of transactions. And so the idea of Bitcoin is that how do you keep track of something like this if there's no centralized source of authority? So American Express is the authority who runs this account. If you have a Bank of America account, they're keeping track of any time you send a check to somebody to pay for something, you use your debit card, you add money at an ATM or take money out at an ATM. All of that is kept track of in your Bank of America, and you just go to transactions and you see the pluses and the minuses anytime something goes in or comes out, and then you have a balance at the top. Okay, so this is all a ledger is. It isn't super complicated, but the problem that Bitcoin solves in part is how do you create a ledger like this that can't be faked and that is kept together by a bunch of individual decentralized actors instead of one official big company or big authority or government. That's one of the key innovations of Bitcoin.